This right here is the future of measurements. I will showcase all the real life uses of these, so make sure you watch the whole video. Inside you get the main M-Cube unit, then one smart floor planner, one scale roller, and one bilateral laser plus. You also get a proper M tripod with a ball head. And all of these tools snap onto each other easily. Let's start with the bilateral laser plus. So this one is used for cross laser alignments. Just snap it on your tripod and then getting perfect alignments become effortless. And by the way, it's a 11 to 15 inch aluminium tripod with a ball head. And everything syncs directly to the MEAZOR app. And it makes alignment effortless and easy. And you can use dual laser from both ends if you have any other project in mind. And it can be used in many different ways. Now let's talk about the scale roller. This little guy right here lets you measure everything. It measures straight line, curves, irregular shapes with ease. And it's the same with every attachment, everything goes directly to the MEAZOR app. And now comes the floor planner. This digital measuring tool lets you easily measure, draw, and export precise floor plans. It comes with a joystick, and the smart planner enables accurate line drawing at any angle from 0 to 360 degree. You can make a whole layout just by using this little gadget. And if you make a mistake, you can always go back using this undo button. And this button is to set the selected point as the reference point. And I'm not done yet. Even the main unit is a laser measuring tool. Just point the laser dot from one end to another end and it will measure the distance. And all these tools are part of Hozo Design's M-Cube Pro Kit. And all those people who've been watching me for a while know how much I love tools. And this one is easily the best one in my collection so far. And don't forget to follow me for latest tech related content. Thanks for watching, guys.